Bessie, dapat ba entry ka na kaagad? Push daw. Bessie, yung kabila. Yung kabila.
Susunga-sunga, ano ba naman?
Siyempre, kailangan yan. Ulit. 1, 2, 3, go!
Taray ni Bessie. Diyan daw sabi ni Adrian. Umpisan mo na. Bessie, yan na. Oh, mamili ka na, Bessie ko. Sige, Bessie. Ano ba ba?
Promoter.
Bessie, kuha ka na dyan, ha?
Ang plates is there.
Ay, cute.
And this one, look at this. Show to them. This, siomai. And this, more siomai.
Ayan ka na naman. Bessie, kumukulo na po.
No stretching before we start to cook. So for today, we're going to put this one here in our soup.
Uy, konti lang yan, Bessie, ha? Isa pa isa-isa.
This
Oo.
part of it?
Hindi, dito yung...
Okay, for this is here. So how are you guys? Happy weekend. So it's gonna put this one here right now.
Bessie, busog ka ba?
Thank you, Kuya. Water is here. Thank you. Thank you.
Bessie.
Bayan? Ako tayong artista.
Ah. Ayan na, Bessie. Tapos na, Bessie. Tapos na.
Welcome and mabuhay. GMY Hot Pot. Thank you so much. Madam, thank you.